I'm Bo Nixon, here with the APP World Tour in Canary Wharf. The APP World Tour are offering introductory SUP yoga and also stand-up paddle classes for those in the London community. We've had over 500 participants sign up for these classes, so it's been a really great thing from the community around here in London. We're here to promote the next year's event for the APP World Tour, which is the London City Paddle Festival. To stop on the APP World Tour for the racing events, we're going to have the top racers come in to battle it out for the top spot. We'll also be running these classes next year, so make sure you keep an eye out for August 2022.
I would do it again. I would definitely do it again.
Really, really good and magical, to be honest.
Tried the SUP session, it was absolutely amazing.